Hello, everybody. It is Jen. This is a exercise that's sort of a takeoff from the concepts that I discuss in my upcoming book, Spinal Intelligence. So you're going to begin in a side position. So I'm on my left hip and I'm in this sort of figure four position with my legs. My left hand is on the floor. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press my left hand into the floor and I'm going to start to rotate the hand towards the pinky side of the hand. So it's like I'm rotating my thumb towards the pinky side of my hand on this left hand. As I do that, I'm going to imagine that my ribs are moving away from the floor and they're rotating back. If I take my right hand here, I can even feel my ribs are moving this way. That's going to rotate me this way. I'm going to ground my right hand. I'm going to start to press through the pinky side of my right hand and rotate my thumb towards the pinky side of my right hand so that I come back over this way. To come out of it, again, I'm rotating towards the pinky side of my hand. My ribs, right, they're lifting and they're shifting back. And I am here. I'm being really conscientious of what anchors me, which in my case is my hands and my hips. So I'm seeing how I can use those things to facilitate the rotation and the movement and the weight shift. Thank you so much for joining me for this. I hope you found it useful. As always, if you found this content useful, please, please, please like, share, subscribe, and look out for my upcoming book, Spinal Intelligence, which is due out in early 2026. Thank you so much.